Let's play a game. You tell me what's different about this and this. It's like magic. See it? Huh? Huh? What's the difference? This one doesn't have an equal sign. This one does. This one says equals 0. This one's not. This one's an equation. This one's an expression. So on this one, all I can do is factor it. And we could do that fast. I'm going to go fast. Do your x method. Multiplies to 12, adds up to 8. Numbers are 6 and 2. Shortcut, x plus 6 and x plus 2. Okay. I just factored it. Great. What I'm talking about now is an equation. It has an equal 0. I want to actually find out what x is. That's my whole goal. I'm just using factoring to help me do it. So I factor it as normal. Okay, so I just made this one equal 0 so it looks like the other one. I factor it as normal, but now it has an equal 0 on the end. And remember your last step, like I said in that fastest video ever before this, you factor it as normal and set each part equal to 0. When it's an equation, I want to actually find out what x is. So x plus 6 equals 0. Remember, these are our little baby equations. Sorry. Subtract 6 on both sides. So I get x equals negative 6. Over here, I subtract 2. Subtract 2. X equals negative 2. I just factored it, but I did it so that I could solve an equation. Equations are going to end x equals something. Okay? But you're probably thinking, okay, that's great, but what if it's not shortcut way and stuff like that? Okay, well, let's talk about that real quick. We'll do one more example. What if it was 3x squared, follow along with me, 3x squared plus 14x equals 5. Now remember, my trick only works if the equation is equal to 0. So to do that, I need to subtract 5 on both sides. And really start with the problem of 3x squared plus 14x minus 5 equals 0. That's a 14. Okay. Now, if I'm going to factor this, I'm going to use factoring to solve it. I'm going to have to use the non-shortcut way. Sorry if I'm making you sick. So x thing will be, this is the product sum. I need something that multiplies to negative 15 and adds up to 14. Those numbers are 15 and 1. I need it to add up to 14, so I need a negative 1. So I rewrite 3x squared, and now I use my new numbers, plus 15x, minus 1, minus 5, that's minus 1x, sorry, equals 0. You try writing upside down. You split it down the middle with a curtain, factor out greatest common factor, 3x times x plus 5. On this right side, remember if this third term is negative, I'm going to take out a negative number no matter what. No GCF here, so I take out 1. And then what's left in the box should match this one, x plus 5. Now all of it's equal to 0. It's an equation. Okay, then I put the common bubble, x plus 5. And then 3x minus 1 equals 0. Remember, our last step is to set each one of these equal to 0. I'll let you finish that up on your own. My answer would be x equals negative 5. And my other answer is 1/3.